Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Maps business account. Want your business to show up on Google Maps with the verified locations, contact infos, and reviews, you'll need to create a Google Business profile. This helps you manage your online presence across Google Search and Maps, all for free. Now let's follow these few simple steps to be able to create a Google Maps business account. The first step is to go to Google Businesses by searching on Google Businesses. Here. Now go to the website business.google.com. Now make sure you sign in using your Google account's credentials by clicking on the business here. Click on continue and follow the prompts. Now once you go to the Google Business here, click on manage now and sign in with your Google account. Select here, skip, next, continue. Now let's follow just the prompts here. Now the second step, now after you log in, click on manage now. The second step is to enter your business name and category. Start by typing in your business name and select a business category that best fits your services. Third step is to add your location. Choose yes if you have physical location customer can visit, and enter your address, and this will place you on Google Maps. As for the fourth step, add contact information by including your phone number, website, and business hours. And for the fifth step, verify your businesses. Google will send a verification code by mail, phone, or email depending on your business type. Enter the code to complete verification. And for the sixth and final step, customize your profile by adding photos, updating your bio or description, and listing your services, products, and more. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you create a Google Maps business account. With the Google Maps business account, your company becomes visible to thousands of local customers searching for what you offer. It's a must-have for any local business looking to grow online and offline visibility. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next tutorial.